So the first thing that you have to do when you're starting with iMovie is obviously open up the application, and we're looking for the iMovie version that has the purple star icon. You have three choices when you open up iMovie: media, projects, and theater. And you want projects. Select create new, and do not select trailer, select movie. And when you select a movie, you'll have a blank project waiting for you. And at this point, where it says Project Media in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to click on My Movie 1 for Project Media. And then you have a choice that says Import Media. So the first thing we're going to do on this project is to import our material. I'll start with soundtrack. So I have an MP3 file here that I've recorded previously, and it's my voiceover. So I'll select that, and now my soundtrack is available for me to use. And quite simply, I can take that soundtrack, which is a little on the long side. It really needs to be 30 seconds, but let's just pretend it's 30. And we'll drag it down to the bottom. You notice that when you drag it down in to a project, things sort of switch around a little bit. But the very bottom is where your soundtrack is going to go. And simply by pressing the space bar, it'll start playing my project.
Jill Stein believes that the shortest distance between poverty and wealth, economic, social, intellectual, and spiritual wealth.
Now, if you look on your keyboard, above the return key, there is a backslash key. It's above return and below delete. And if you are to press that while it's playing, it's very conveniently will wind you back to the beginning of your video. So if I hit space, it'll start.
Is an education.
Now I press
today are the leaders of tomorrow.
Backslash.
And all Jill Stein believes that the shortest distance.
And space again. So that's the simplest way of explaining how to start off with iMovie. You open it up, you create a project. Now I haven't named my project yet, and that's going to come next. When I go back to project here, I clicked on the project area. It asks me what my movie is. So it's very important to name your project by your candidate and by the period. Now it's properly saved, and I can go back into it if I want, like this. And again, backslash.
Jill Stein believes that the shortest distance between poverty and wealth, economic, social, intellectual.